way! This is the newest iPhone! And this is a blast from the past! But that smell is timeless! This thing is chocolate!
No!
Bon appetit! Me, I'm gonna start making some calls. Hello?
What?
What's wrong with this thing?
What a fuck!
I don't want to burst your bubble, but that's also chocolate. Yummy! I'll just keep this then. But it was mine, and you ate it! Where's our food? Looks like only my portion is missing. Fortunately, mine isn't. And these Twix look just amazing. Caramel goodness. I don't plan on going hungry. Thank you very much. Chels, can I have one? Thanks. Now to improve this bite-sized piece. Now that's what I'm talking about it. Chelsea, what do you want? Share, please. No. How rude. I think I ought to teach you a lesson.
What?
Bye-bye. And now this bar is all mine. I can't believe it. Chocolate corn on the cob?
What?
Popcorn is much more appetizing. Can't believe my luck. I am a bit bummed I didn't get that, but I'll eat what I was served. Not too shabby. Well, that went quickly. But I have a plan to get myself something else to eat. I'll just plant this and water it. No, wait.
What?
Whoa! You grew a new piece of corn! I'll bet I can do the same.
What?
All you did was water it, right? Earthquake. My cereal doesn't look really appetizing. I've got no complaints about my dish. I love all forms of chocolate chips. There's no need to brag. I hope the taste makes up for its appearance. I really like it, actually. Whoa, a gold necklace? I have to try this on. I've got something here, too. Cheap plastic? I'm no stranger to DIYs. I can make this shine in no time. I think it's perfect. What a little burger! Not at all like yours, Emma. I'll have to make do with what I got. I don't even know where to start with this thing. It's so big.
What a fuck!
I would love to try a bite, but I knew you'd say no. I think this calls for some help from my magic wand again. Ugh, I so don't want some sad little burger. Here. How did I not see these before? Fantastic. I'd much prefer soda over Mentos. Too bad it's mine.
Come on!
What a weird color.
What?
Oh, this is chocolate sauce. Odds are these aren't typical Mentos either then. Just as I thought. Oh, I'm sure these would go great with your drink. Do you know any word but no? Well, here's a little surprise for you then.
Ow!
That was uncalled for.
Oh, man!
I love these chocolate candies. They look to die for, that's true. Why is your dish always better? There's just nothing that compares to these.
Oh, really?
There's barely anything in the bag. And it kind of looks like cat food. Last one. All out. Give me some of yours, Emma. I'm getting really tired of you asking. What did you do? You left me with no choice. These are really good. Nice. What pretty beads. Ooh, absolutely fabulous. My gut's telling me that this is chocolate. I knew it. I hope I'm just as lucky. Ouch, that hurt. This is a real necklace. That means these are precious jewels. Pearls.
Oh, really?
That's better than chocolate. Don't be too happy, though. What are you gonna do now? What happened? How'd it break? Dunno. This is the worst thing I could have imagined. Luck is just not on your side today. Do you see how ripe and wonderful these strawberries are? They'll go perfectly with the chocolate. Heavenly. Fingers crossed the chocolate covers the onion taste at least. No, that is beyond revolting. Well, misery loves company, so take a nice big whiff, Emma. My eyes are watering uncontrollably. It worked. Now you won't be able to see me take this. How dare you try and pull something like that? Revenge is served. More onion? Where'd this come from? Bon appetit.
What happened? Where are we?
Welcome to the challenge with mysterious buttons.
What kind of challenge? Why are we in cages? And why are there cameras here? Is someone watching us?
Oh, somebody get us out! Well, we're shouting. All the fun is ahead. Jillian, push the button. However, the button is not scary at all. Moreover, a delicious drink from Starbucks fell out on the drum. Just look how delicious it is. With whipped cream on top. Jillian, it's all for you. Enjoy it. Just don't forget to breathe. And take care of your beautiful hairstyle. And for decoration, a cup of delicate whipped cream. It suits you very well. It's also very tasty.
Hey, it's actually mine. Wow. So good. I wonder what will happen if I press this button.
What do we have here? Cat food. We all love cats very much. However, right now this pack is meant for you, Nancy. Yeah, the smell is certainly excellent, but maybe it'll even taste good. Wow, it may rain with the taste of tuna. Nancy doesn't seem thrilled. Well, maybe next time you'll be lucky. Okay, now it's Jillian's turn again. I wonder what awaits you this time.
I'll press this one.
Let's see. Oh yeah, this is everyone's favorite Coca-Cola. And how much there is of it, a whole pyramid. Uh-oh, Jillian, take care. Cola is raining down on you like an icy hail. I hope you don't get a bump on your head after that.
Oh, clown!
But you can enjoy cool Coke now.
I have cat food over here. I'll press the button.
Yeah, Nancy, what will you get? Wow, that's an ice blaster. You can use it to freeze objects. Try it. It's just loaded and ready for an ice attack. Just be careful.
Oh. Wow, frozen cola tastes even better. Real ice cream. Jillian, give me a try. I'm the one who froze it. No? Then hold on. My super ray will turn you into an ice statue. Ha! Now we can decorate winter parks with you.
In the meantime, Jillian remains icy. Let's see what awaits her next. Oh yeah, Nesquik cacao. It is so good, so fragrant, and hot. Just right to melt our Snow Queen Jillian. Look, it worked! A nice chocolate shower. What could be better?
Nice. Oh, it's so good.
Cool.
Oh no.
Nancy, your blaster is out of battery. It won't be possible to freeze anyone else. Jillian, push the button. It's so interesting here. Every time a new surprise. What will come across now? Wow, these are high-tech glasses. Shh, this is a secret development of special services. Only real spies have such things. Let's borrow them for a while. What will we do for the challenge? Jillian, catch it. Just be careful. A valuable object here.
Wow, it's like I'm in a computer game. Wait, are these hints? I'm going to press this button with a smiley face. It seems like I'm going to get a delicious one. It's high time.
You're right, Jillian. The huge bucket of sweet caramel popcorn is completely yours. It's so crunchy. I wish I could go to the cinema with it now for a new action movie, but even without the movie, you have something to do. Go with the whole bunch of popcorn.
Wow! This is so yummy! I want more and more. Let's press another button.
Well, what do we have this time? Wow, a big pack of colorful Skittles. Yeah, I know you love them very much. But it's better not to take off your glasses from your eyes. Or it'll be bad.
It's so cool!
Agree. So, what's next? Let's check it out. This is a giant package of delicate airy marshmallows. Oh, how delicious they are.
Yummy.
Jillian, you're so lucky. We all want to be in your place right now, so enjoy.
Oh yeah! So yummy! Wow! I'm ready to eat it all day long! Hey Jillian, can I press the button now? You've already received a lot of sweets! Okay, do the green one. Thanks. What do I have there?
I don't want to upset you, Nancy, but you got that salted fish. Yeah.
Ugh, what a smell!
Although, maybe you'll like it. After all, we all have different tastes. Someone loves salty things. Yeah, it seems you're not thrilled. But what can you do? These are the rules of our challenge. You can get anything.
Jillian, you lied to me! I will take your spy glasses for that. Wonder why you've seen them. Wow, there are hints everywhere. I'll press the exit one. I'll finally go home.
What?
What happened? My cage is going to eat me now. Oh no! No, please. You should have seen your face.
Jillian, it's your turn. Choose a button, but without hints. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, our favorite Nutella. So sweet. What could be better than a chocolate night waterfall? This thick, tender paste goes well with any airy marshmallows.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah. Jillian, you've already got all the best sweets. Just look at that. Wow, that's a chocolate bath.
Jillian is lucky again.
Nancy was waiting for you. Oh, sweet jelly belly beans. How great. However, there's one catch. These candies have many different flavors and not all of them are good. You'll never know until you try. Come on, Nancy.
I'll try this candy.
So, how is it? Wow, this is magical invisible candies.
Nancy, where are you? Hey! Did you run away and didn't tell me anything? That's a friend.
Hey!
Nancy, where are you hiding?
No!
No one sees me. And I can use it to my advantage.
My nose! Nancy, wait. I'm going to get you now. Where are you? Well, come out!
Oh, what is that? That's the key! Oh yeah, I'm finally free! Now, Jillian.
What?
Come out, come on! Let's get out of here! Bye, evil clown!
Good afternoon. Stop. No sweets in the hospital. Oh, goodness. What is that? Oh, it's very bad.
Oh my god!
After the accident? Come on, go! Hurry up!
What did you bring?
Oh no! My brother! What's wrong? Is everything bad? Oh goodness! I almost really took all my life! Nancy, this was a prank! Just for you! A bunch of sweets! Come on, guys!
Oh, brother, thank you! This is literally amazing! The best brother in the world! Cool!
Oh, what a wonderful day! Stop! What's in your hands? Candy? Let's take a closer look.
Oh my...
Oh no! She took my favorite candy! She'll take my chips too. Although, I have an idea. Dad won't be able to do it, but me being a nurse, I have it right in my pocket.
Hello?
Hey, pretty girl, I'm your colleague. Don't you remember? We studied together. I've come to replace you. Have a nice rest.
Bye-bye!
Yeah, go home. Cool. Candy is not allowed. Give me that.
Nice!
Awesome. A whole box full of candy. Let's go. Hey, sis. I brought you a surprise. It's a whole box of sweets. Will you? And some chips as well. Oh, I knew you'd like it. Yummy. How delicious. Hey, colleague. What are you doing? Oh, I'll find you. I'll beat all the candy out of you. Oh no! Where can I go? Oh, girl, here's the box. Just don't eat it. Oh, how terribly my head hurts. Stop. Hand over the sweets. Ow. Can I do everything a little? Oh, what's going on?
Hey.
Doctor? Can't you see my head hurts? Please help me.
Of course. I'm glad to find something in my doctor's case. We'll have this candy, I guess.
Oh, thank you so much. You saved me. Wait, what? This is not a pill, that's Skittles.
What?
What have you gotten there? There's a whole set here.
Oh no! I'm sorry.
Oh, you can't even imagine. He gives me candy, not a pill. Are you all right? Don't you understand? You can bring it in.
Can I go first? Oh, thank you. I'm not here. Hello. I'm going in. There are no sweets.
What? And what's that? A Skittles path. Wait! Guy in a wheelchair? Are you made up of candy or something? What? Get out of the hospital with your sweets! Although no, wait a minute. That's better. Oh, what about you? Give me the chips, don't hide them. Oh, hello, darling.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Oh, what's going on? Oh, are you alive? Oh, you feel bad. Go back to the ward. And be sure to tell the doctor to put a, Ben on a bicycle or something.
What?
Hey, can I help you?
Hello.
Are you alright? Oh, are you the Sultan? Oh, I was told you were coming. Thank you for this, how cute. Oh, thank you, you're so nice.
Hey, beauties. I've come to choose my wife. I like you the most. Hello, it's me, Ted, your brother. How do you like my costume? And I have something for you. Not money, but sweets.
Yeah!
Can I eat it too? Oh, thanks. Very nice.
Yummy. Stop. What? Sweets are not allowed. Yeah, everything has something hurting here, but you have to give me the sweets.
Oh
my God.
Should I give her my sweets? Of course not. A nightmare, but I have an idea. I'm going to hide my Skittles so that the nurse doesn't see it.
Yummy.
It's very simple. Just like that. Brilliant, isn't it? Let's just pass the nurse.
Give it back.
Stop!
Wait, what do you have? Oh, does your arm hurt? What's wrong with it? Oh, I'm sorry. Goodness, hurry up.
Let's go. I broke my arm. It hurts. Oh, like a lot. Time for a break. Why are you shouting? Oh, listen again. That's candy. Got it? Go inside and... It's cool.
Well, Skittles!